I'm Olli Seppälä and I'm the head of global R&D for Radar Tyres. I'm here to develop the absolute top performing tires that perform right up there with the premium level, but at the same time keep them affordable, kind of democratize the whole premium segment of tires. My main responsibility is to develop the products and to choose the right manufacturing location for all the products. My background is that I've been working in tire development for little over 20 years now. I see so many benefits in our business model and so many opportunities in this company that we are able to do something completely different than the established premium brands are doing. And we are able to do things faster. We are more flexible and we have so many things in our business model that enable us to develop the tires to absolute top level, but still keep them available for everybody. We talk about the magic triangle of tire development, especially the compounding, that on one end you have the wet grip, then you have rolling resistance, and then you have the tire mileage. Once you move the needle into one direction, typically the other two suffer. So the trick is how to expand this magic triangle to get the optimal performance in all of these three. In the premium collection, we only test against the very top tires in the market, so absolute market leaders who are considered to have the best performance there. And we have to reach that level. At the same time, provide the customers with a tire that has low rolling resistance, has low noise level, provides them with sufficient mileage. So you have to combine each of these elements to a premium tire. And if you can do that with a great design that attracts the people, great sidewall design, good looking tread design, then that's a bonus. Also, we can see at the moment that the premium brands are a little bit losing ground and people are more cost conscious at the moment. So in this case, in this situation, it's so important that there is really there are options for people that are high performing, keeping them safe, so that people don't just go for any tire which is cheapest in the market. And that's where I see we really fit in.